Welcome to Crojo Corner. My name is Laura, and today we are going to unbox 7 totes full of yarn that I received from one of my friends. She is a real estate agent, and she cleaned out one of her clients' mother's old craft pantries, and there is so much yarn in here, and all of it is very old. So we're going to go take a peek inside these boxes. Let's check it out. So this right here is some rug yarn that was in one of the totes, and I'm organizing it in the Dollar Tree shoe containers. And I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with this. I have a feeling I'm going to make some baskets with it and maybe double up some of the yarn. It's very thick and coarse. It's nothing that you would use for wearables or anything like that. But I have so many of these, and these were 49 cents back in the day from Aunt Lydia. And they are 100% acrylic, and I have so many different colors, and this isn't even all of them. I'm so grateful for all of this. The extra yarn that I have that I'm not going to keep, I will be donating to a place called Pause. It's a thrift store that donates all of their proceeds to the local Humane Society and helps the animals. So that is just some of the rug yarn that I received. Now let's take a look in the next box. Okay, here's another box of some goodies. Now this, I will keep some of this yarn. I think this is really pretty. And this is called Dazzle Air. Look at that old label. It's from Caron. And I have about 2.5 skeins of this. And this is a acrylic and nylon blend. So I thought that was really pretty. And so I have some of that. And look at this great ball of the old-fashioned 70s brown colored yarns. I love this. I need to make something really cool with this. And then here's a knitting project that she started. Now I don't know if the lady is even still alive or not. I didn't ask. This looks like she started knitting a baby sweater. At least that's what I'm assuming this is because of the front panels. It looks like they're small. And it looks like she was doing some cabling here. Now, I don't know how to knit, so I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with this. And there is a lot of this old yarn here. Look at that. A lot of cream-colored yarn and some white yarn. Look at the prices on this. $1.39, Derbyshire from Lion Brand. Look at that old pattern. Look at that old sweater. And then here's some baby yarn from Windtuck. Look at that. Then here's an old granny square that she had made. Look at this yarn, Goodman Yarns, Orlon Sale, knitting worsted yarn, ready to knit skein. Look at that. It's very rough. It's rougher than Red Heart Super Saver even. I've got some red yarn. I found another project in here. Let me show you. Look at this beautiful needlepoint embroidery that she did. This lady was very talented. It has little cotton plants on here, and then it has the pretty little stems. Look at this. So intricate. And then I went and looked up the Roman numerals here, and this is from 1980. So I assume that most of the yarns and things like that are probably from the late 70s, early 80s. So this is technically vintage. I looked it up, and anything 40 years old or older is considered vintage. Isn't that beautiful? What handiwork. Look at that. Now I have one more project to show you. Now this beautiful baby blanket was inside one of the totes, and the only thing that she had left to do was weave in her ends, and I'm going to do that and keep this beautiful little blanket. It's so soft and delicate. And look at that pattern with the granny square in the middle and the filet crochet all around the edges. And it's a very neat shape. It's like an octagon, but then there's little hills and valleys here, like a jagged edge. And there's just some ends that need to be sewn in. And this thing will be complete. It's absolutely beautiful, and it's my favorite thing out of all these totes. So I just thought you guys would appreciate this. It's so pretty. So let's take a look inside some of the other boxes. Now this is mostly the rug yarn that I told you about earlier that I showed you. I still have to put these in a bag And then there was some other like maroon yarn and some regular yellow acrylic. Most of this is all just rug yarn. So this whole tote includes skeins called Fluffy, and it's imported by Unger, and it's made in France. And this is like I would say it's probably like a 3-weight, but it has a lot of halo to it, so it would be really hard to frog. And it is 100% acrylic. So I have all different colors of this, and I'm not so sure I'm going to keep it. This really isn't my type of yarn, but I sure think it's beautiful. And here's a different regular acrylic right here. Just your regular worsted weight. But as you can see, I have every color under the sun of this, and I'm going to try to make something with it, and maybe it's not as hard to work with as I think, but I will keep you posted on that. So this tote includes an adorable embroidery kit. This has got to be from the 70s. Look at this. Here's the back of the box, and it's never been used before. It's never even been worked on. It's really cute. All the pieces are still inside, so one day I'll have to check it out and work on it. She also had a rug kit in here, and you know, of course there's only a few rows done because whoever finished a latch hook rug, I know I never did. Here's a cute little doll. I remember these. I actually might have had a couple of these. How cute is that? And this was on clearance for $1.12, the little mop doll heads. And here are all the latch hook rug pieces. And I've got some plastic canvas, some more yarn. Looks like there's some frames here. And some more yarn. This one is called Lion Brand Imagine. This does have 80% acrylic and 20% mohair. So that's nice. I believe there's 2 of these. And it looks like this is the same thing too. So that's nice. Okay, let's see what's in the next box. Now this box looks like it has a lot of this cotton flame, double knit weight cotton. There's a lot of skeins of this in here. Not really sure what I would make with that, but there's some different colors. And there's also a lot of macrame cord, which I have been wanting to get into a little bit, but I'm not really sure. I may hold on to the macrame cord for a little bit and see if I ever get around to using it. And then there's some of this. I think that might be for macrame as well, and some brown. And then a lot more macrame cord. So that's what's in there. And then I found some more of the specialty yarn. I love this. This is great for my wall hangings that I make. And this is a beautiful chenille yarn. And then here's some little baby cotton, and this is imported from Belgium, made in Belgium. Now this box is sporting some serious 1970s vibes. Look at this dark orange, and the greens, and the lighter orange, and the rust colors. This is really cool. This is the Orlan Sayal yarn, and in the color celery. Ooh. And this one is in the color tangerine. This one is the color sun glow. How cool. Very 70s. Now let's open up the last box. Okay, I have not yet opened this last box. This is the only one I didn't open yet, and my goodness. I'm not really sure why there's so much white yarn in here, but that's kind of cool. And what is this? Okay, so after digging around, I found out why she bought all of this white yarn, and this is for a pattern called the Violet Afghan. Look at how beautiful that is. And then here I found the old pattern, and it says 1973, the family circle. So this is really old. This is the Violet Afghan kit. It's for $12.98 she paid for the whole kit, and I have all the instructions. And so I think that's pretty cool. And then let's see what else is in here. Some more orange yarn. Wool Ease, machine washable and dryable. Oh, this is really pretty. I'm gonna keep that. The Bernat yarn here. Bernat Caress. Here's some Bernat yarn. And let's see what else. There's some more Bernat yarn here. Ooh, look at this pretty Woolies. I like this. Look how cheap yarn used to be. $2.49 for this. So it seems like I have a lot of interesting yarns to check out. I appreciate you watching and opening these boxes with me. I can't wait to see what I can make, and I'm going to go through and see what I'm going to keep. And I might even throw some in a special giveaway, so keep your eyes peeled. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. I'll talk to you soon. Have a great day. Bye. If you like diamond painting, make sure you check out my other channel, Diamond Painting with Lora.